Hey, we're Leah and Jessica. We are a queer couple who met at college and decided to leave together because of unforeseen circumstances and buy a van. We have been living out of it for over 7 months. We have a 2014 Ram ProMaster and have decided to vlog our travels along the way. We love to paddleboard, hike, adventure, play music, run, bike, be outside, and enjoy nature. We have had to fix some things along the way. We have a leak. And refix other things.
We literally just fixed it.
Ew.
What the heck?
But overall, we have had an amazing journey so far. Today, we're giving you a tour of our tiny home on wheels. And if you like what you see, then consider liking and subscribing to help us out. Come on in, let me show you around. These are our bug nests, which Jessica handily made. This is our closet where we keep all of our clothes, and underneath we have our fridge. This is our sink, which we have 7 gallons of gray water and 7 gallons of fresh water underneath. And it runs off of a foot pump, as you can see, which saves a lot of water. This is where we keep our trash. And then over here, we have food storage. A counter underneath. We have our Instant Pot, stove, and other pots. Under here we have our dishes, utensils, miscellaneous. Under here we have our electrical stuff, which we have 400 watts of solar above the van, and it charges everything we have in here: lights, fans, fridge, you name it. We got it. Over here we have a seat. And then underneath we have an ottoman for food storage, and it doubles as a seat for our dining table. Underneath the bed we have room for like 8 of Jessica's instruments, more storage, and a drum. Now all of you have asked, what do you do for a toilet or go to the bathroom? The answer is, we don't. Just kidding, it's right here. Gotcha. Over here we have our fruit basket, and then some blankets and towels up here. And then above the driving area we have some cool chairs, hammocks, and slackline. Come on into the driving compartment. We have Reflectix up here, which helps keep the hot air out and cool air in. It helps a lot. It also helps keep it dark in here. And then over here we have our clip-in room. Come on over, this is where we sleep, and we have more clothing storage, and then I'll meet you around at the back. This is our garage. This is where we keep all of our shoes. We have more Reflectix. And then in here we have more storage, and we keep our paddleboard and more water back here. That was our van tour. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more van life.